AGBA Stock analysis and predictions in 1 minute time. Watch this short video till the end to gain clarity on whether I'm buying or selling next. Now we're sitting at 214, actually, yeah, 214. We're 4.46% down. Just to give you context, I'm still quite bullish on AGBA Group Holding Limited. I'm going to break it out for you exactly how I'm approaching this today, how I will take it higher. Just to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system. It's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you all of that because that's the truth, and I've documented everything. So with AGBA, I'm willing to take it higher. But there's a catch. I'm not just going to blindly buy, and this is only for right now and not forever. So I want to see the price first break out the lows, and then when it gives me the rules, then I'm willing to take it higher. Why? Because uh, then my rules are met, and those rules I've tested for like 20,000 videos. So I do have a lot of experience here. I have no course to sell you, so for free resources and value, check the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.